If you're like me and you don't use a blow dryer, you can end up in a kind of purgatory from the moment you've washed your hair until it dries. In this video, I'll show you a wearable wash day style and teach you some crucial principles to ramp up the protective factor to help you on your path to reaching your hair goals.
Hello and welcome to Naturally High, the channel that helps you grow your 4A, 4B and especially 4C hair to longer lengths. I have shown you all my wash day so many times, so I'm going to disappear, get on with washing my hair, and then I will come back and show you the style. By the end of this video, you should be able to fill in the blanks that are on screen right now. I've just finished washing my hair and my bathroom looks like an actual war zone. Let us continue. I have my hair in these two plaits. I'm just going to take these out. Note that my hair is in the loose twists I washed it in. Separate a section at the very front of your hair, starting behind one of your ears. Give your ends a good oil and follow up with your leave-in conditioner. I also use flaxseed gel to freeze my ends and reduce motion and resultant friction. Start plaiting from behind your favourite ear. To do this, separate 3 sections and use your index finger and thumb to pull sections from one side under the one in the middle. Then repeat this with the section on the other side. Alternate like this until you get to your temple. Then, continue it as a single plait. At this point, I switched to a twist. And here I am wrapping my ends. If you're enjoying this video, you have my patrons to thank for that. The support I get from you over on Patreon allows me to keep my content flowing and also provide captions. Sign up for one of my tiers today for as little as $3.99 if you are interested in seeing bloopers, bonus footage and also participating in exclusive live chats. Now that we have this canerow at the very front of our hair, there are different options. This canerow here... Hold up. Did she just say canerow? The heck is that? This canerow here is really useful because it reduces the amount of tension you have along your edges. So what you can do is, for example, gather all of this hair into a ponytail. And then you can do multiple plaits. So you will size them differently depending on how long your hair is. If your hair is quite long, then you can do fewer plaits. And if your hair is shorter, you might want to do more plaits. Your plaits should be pretty tight. I mean, not tight enough to put too much tension on your hair, but tight enough that they give you a good stretch. Now I'm taking the whole section and I'm plaiting it together and applying some flaxseed gel to my ends so that they're nice and protected. And now I'm going to take the ends, stick my finger here and use my wrapping technique. Now I'm going to take this end of the plait and loop it under the hairband here. And this is my wash day style. If your hair is on the shorter side and you would prefer to have some more volume, what you can do is this very thing, and then you can just add some Marley hair on top of it. I don't have Marley hair right now, but I do have some other hair that I can use just to show you the technique I'm talking about. So we're imagining that this is Marley hair. You can loop it under your hairband like so. Then you can do a twist like so, and then You can now take the hair and just wrap it kind of round here until it's all nice and covered, and then just tuck it at the back. Okay, so you have your Marley hair, and you can do something very similar to that. If this is not enough, you can loop round multiple bunches of hair. So you can do one here, and one here, and one here. I hope this helps. I add gel to these sections to create a curl. And now on day 3, I have taken the bun down and I now have a plait, but I wrapped the ends because I wanted them to be protected. So how did you do? Share your results with us below.
In this video, I will show you a wearable wash day style. Again.